Hey guys, Steve from tentandtable.com wanted to show you our Moose CarryAll bags and how they can be used on your truck. And the example we have for you today is for a 2020 West Coast frame tent, right? You get shipped the tent, the fittings, the ropes, the stakes, the straps. Where do you have them in your truck and how do you load and unload them? So what we've done is we've used some of our CarryAll bags to give you an example of how you might be able to better organize and then pull out the items you need to set up and tear down your frame tent. So first we have a small round bag. We decided to put in here the ropes, and we got the R-pins at the bottom, but this small bag has some room left to it. But ultimately you can get ropes, R-pins, and other small items in here for your frame tent. The medium we decided to use for the straps, right? You got your 1.5-inch ratchet straps here. So you can also, as you can see, fit more in there, but for all of the straps for this 2020 West Coast tent, we have them in the medium-sized bag. We'll switch over to the rectangular bag now. You can see our 3/4 by 30 double head stakes in here, but you can see that these work well for your stakes to get them packed up. And now this one. We're often asked about how much weight can our CarryAll bags handle. The answer is a lot. I don't have a number for you, but just so you know, the fittings for a 20 by 20 West Coast frame tent combined to weigh almost 100 pounds. And we have them in this bag, and the bag has no issue picking it up, although I'm shaking. We have the 8-way crown in the bottom, which is good for the circular bag because it kind of sets up and holds the shape. And then on top, we've got side tees and base plates and corners in here, so you can see all the fittings for a 2020 West Coast tent not only fit in this bag, but this bag is strong enough to carry them on and off the site for your setup and tear down. So here we have a small round CarryAll bag. And it's got some room in it still, but this is a good like accessory and cleaning bag for inflatables here. So we have some vinyl, replacement vinyl in here. We've got some patch kits, we've got patches, we've got a replacement misting hose, we have some cleaning wipes, we have some glue, we have some sponges, we have a seam roller. All the things that you would need to clean and repair an inflatable inside one Moose CarryAll bag. Very strong, a good size, easy to grip and pick up, a one-stop shop for everything you might need to repair, maintain, and clean your inflatables. If you're headed to an event and you are making some popcorn or some cotton candy or some snow cones, one of our round CarryAll bags here, pretty durable. We got a bunch in here and there's actually still some room. So we have snow cone cups, we have cotton candy cones, we have 2 bottles of syrup, we have pouches of cotton candy, about 10 pouches of popcorn, all kinds of supplies in one bag, made easy to carry, durable, strong, everything that you would need for setup and tear down for an event that has these fun foods going on. This is the bag that'll help you get it unloaded and loaded before and after your event.